Okay, welcome to our channel Scholarship Air, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply for Bet9ja Undergraduate Scholarship. To get started immediately, open any browser of your choice and type scholarshipair.com. Then you scroll down to this side, you see where we have 2025 Bet9ja Foundation Scholarship for Undergraduate Students. If you can't find it here, you can use the search button on top and type Bet9ja and click the search button. Then you see it here, Bet9ja Fully Funded Scholarship. Then you click the link. Once you click the link, it will open the scholarship for you. As you can see, this is the introduction of the scholarship. It's all about an undergraduate program for Nigerian students to help them pay their school fees. It's actually a fully funded scholarship, and any Nigerian is eligible to apply. Then let's scroll down to the benefits. Down here, you see the benefits. The scholarship will provide a fully tuition for students, so they will pay all your school fees and every other thing. Then the requirements. I think they have three major requirements. Number one, you must have a CGPA of 4.0 or above. Number two, you must be in your 300 or your 400 year of study in any public university in Nigeria. Then the third one is that you submit an essay on this topic, the transformative power of education, in 200 words. Articulate how education has impacted your life and its potential for personal growth and societal change. Share a specific experience highlighting the influence of education on your beliefs. Explain why you are a deserving candidate for our undergraduate scholarship and how it will empower you to contribute positively to the world. So before you submit your application, you get your essay ready. Then let's move down to application documents. The another document you need to get ready are number one, your school ID card, your last school fees, endorsement letter, and your transcript or record showing your current CGPA. So when you have this document ready by your side, the next thing to do is to come down to where we have how to apply. Interested and qualified, go to Bet9ja Foundation on bet9jafoundation.com to apply. So we click this link. It's going to take us to Bet9ja website for us to complete our application. So here comes the form, the scholarship form. The first field on the form is your first name. You enter your first name. The next one is your last name. Enter your last name. The next one is your middle name. You enter your middle name, your email address. You enter your email address, your phone number. You enter your phone number into your address, your residential address. You enter your address, then your state of origin. You enter your state of origin, your matriculation number. You enter your matriculation number. Then you have your course of study, computer engineering. Then the year of study, 300. Then your current CGPA, 4.5. Then your school fee amount, 160,000, depending on your own school fees. Then your university, you select your school, Enugu State University of Science and Technology. I'll select my school. Then gender, if you're a male or female, you select. Next of kin details, the name of your next of kin. I'll write it in full. Then the phone number of my next of kin. I'll write it in full. Then here I'll select, okay, here they're asking for a current GPA from your last section. So any where you have your current GPA, you attach the file here for them to see. Ensure that it is in PDF as they have specified here. That's the only document that they will accept. Then when you attach, just click here to attach. Then you select it from your computer or your phone or whichever device you are applying with. Then the next part is upload your school ID card. Your ID card has to be in PNG, JPEG, or JPG. So any of the format is fine. Then select it. You must have scanned your ID before now. Then you attach. Then the next one is upload endorsement letter. Endorsement letter is like your reference letter from maybe your lecturer or a civil servant in a senior level endorsing you for the scholarship. Then you select. Then the last one, no, not the last one. Another document is upload your last school fees receipt. So the receipt you used to pay your last school fees, you attach it. It has to be in PDF, PNG, JPEG, or JPG. So just click here to attach. Then you move down to the last one, where they say you should explain how receiving this scholarship would advance your academic goal and help you achieve your long-term vision for the future. So don't forget, so this is where you write your essay, and as you can see down here, they said maximum of 200 words. So they don't want too many stories. Just go straight to the point and tell them why you are the best fit for this scholarship. Don't forget, they have millions of people that will drop application for the scholarship. So you have to sell yourself here. Tell them why you are the best and why they will select you. Tell them how the education will help you to achieve your goal, your future goal, and equally be able to contribute meaningfully to the society. So this section is very important. You have to sell yourself and convince them for them to be able to give you the scholarship. And when you are done, then you click here. I agree to receive other communications from Bet9ja. Can check this or you can even leave it. I think you have to check it so that if they have other communication like the shortlisting period and interview, you'll be able to get notifications. So once you have checked it, then you click the submit button, and that's just the end. So I wish you all the best in your scholarship journey. My name is Cassie from Scholarship Air. Thank you for joining us. If you have questions, feel free to drop on the comment section. Then if you find this video helpful and interesting, share with your friends, and then you are here to like and subscribe to our channel. Do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Bye.